Hello, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today I bring you a really quick and simple recipe. We have some friends coming over, so we're just going to put this meal together in about 10 minutes. It's a very simple blue cheese fondue. This is my mom's recipe. It's been a hit with all our family. We love it, and I think you're gonna love it too. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 10 ounces of blue cheese, 16 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of Maggi seasoning, and to eat our fondue, we're gonna need some crusty bread. First, in a pot, we're going to warm it up and we're going to add our cream cheese and we're going to start melting it. It's going to take a few minutes, but we just keep on stirring. Once our cream cheese starts getting soft, then we're going to add our blue cheese. You can pre-crumble it. I just like crumble it inside the pot. We're going to start breaking it and we're going to keep on mixing until it starts melting. It's going to take a few minutes. Now that both our cheeses have melted, we're going to keep on stirring. And now we're going to add half of our Maggi seasoning. It's a little bit salty, so we just need to try it out and adjust it to taste. If you don't have Maggi seasoning, you can also use Worcestershire sauce. Now, to adjust the thickness of our fondue, I'm also going to add half of our sour cream, and this is going to help make it a little bit smoother. We're going to keep incorporating our sour cream and check the thickness. Now I'm going to taste the fondue. It's a little bit thick still, so I'm going to add the rest of my sour cream. This is going to help me make it a little bit smoother. Now to my taste, I'm going to add the rest of the Maggi seasoning. You don't have to. You just have to adjust it to your taste. And this is almost ready to go. Our fondue is ready. So I'm just going to take it off the heat and let it to the side. Our fondue is ready, and before we cut our bread, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. That way you'll know when new videos are coming. If you want to get notified, click on the little bell. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like at the end. Now, let's go cut our bread. Our fondue is ready. Now we need some bread to go ahead and eat it with our friends. If you haven't watched it, this is a rustic bread recipe. We made it another video, and I'll leave the link in the description. So now, let's cut our bread. I'm just going to cut my bread into small squares so we can share with the fondue. Our fondue is ready. Our bread is ready. I transfer my fondue to my fondue pot. If you don't have a fondue pot, don't worry about it. Just put something that helps with the heat so you don't mess up your table. Now, let's give it a try. Has a really good taste. It's so creamy. The balance between the cream cheese and the blue cheese is just perfect. And that Maggi sauce just gives it that little salty touch, which is very good. Really quick, really easy, and when you have friends over, you can put this together in about 10 minutes. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.